We've had Human Utopia in school for the last couple of years. It actually started off with our head teacher going to a conference and seeing Human Utopia. She's looking at ways we could develop pupil premium funding across the school. She's really interested and brought them into school, and you could really see the confidence levels of the children increase. Also in terms of their aspirations, they're actually thinking bigger. We're in a very disadvantaged area, and so we're very keen to try and raise the children's aspirations.
I've learnt that you shouldn't always be shy and that you should always listen to other people.
It's helped me to know that I'm helping people, so it's helped me feel good. I'm proud of myself because I've got to be confident to do it as well.
It's like a chance to help people and actually to understand yourself as well, to know who you are. I feel like they really helped me with my confidence, my self-confidence, and they made me believe. Don't think about anything anyone's ever said about you. Just believe in yourself, and if you try, you can do it.
Being a hero means being confident, being helpful, being kind.
Being a hero means that it just helps you believe in yourself more, and it helps you understand other people. We've been working with Year 2 today, and we've been helping them get more confident.
When I see our buddies, it's fun to do it because you're helping them along the way. I think that it's helping them with their learning, but it's helping them with their confidence as well.
We've drawn, we've done ice-breaking games, we've done maths and English, and if they've been really good, we do ask their teachers sometimes if they can have house points.
I've been playing games with them, such as charades, and they were acting out what they wanted to be when they were older.
My dream is to be a princess when I grow up. I like the heroes because it helps you how to learn, and when you're struggling on something, they help you. Heroes are good friends because they're helpful and they're really nice. That's why I come to school every day.
It makes me feel happy to know that I'm actually helping other children in being confident and in changing those negative thoughts that they have into positive thoughts.
It's nice to help other people be confident and know that they can talk to other people rather than being very shy.
I think they see me as a role model and someone to look up to when they're in Year 6. I just hope that they're more confident and they believe in themselves more.
Knowing that I'm helping other people and I'm helping them learn has helped me learn as well.